Hey everyone, welcome back to CoinZero. If you're looking for easy ways to earn free crypto, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to introduce you to 3 exciting airdrops that are completely free and super easy to join. You can participate using just your phone, and I'll guide you step by step on how to maximize your earnings. Let's dive in. Before we start, you can find all the links to the bots mentioned in this video down in the description. Make sure to check them out and start earning free crypto today. First up is the Iceberg airdrop. Iceberg is a Web3 workspace that offers everything you need to manage your crypto activities in one place. This is a project with a lot of potential, so getting in early could be a great move. What's great about Iceberg is that you can claim free tokens every 6 hours. Just set a reminder on your phone so you don't miss any claims. Iceberg isn't just about free tokens. It's a full workspace designed for the Web3 era. You can manage your projects, collaborate with others, and access decentralized tools, all within Iceberg. Completing all the tasks will help you earn even more tokens. This project is still in its early stages, so now is the perfect time to get involved and start collecting those rewards. Once you're in the Telegram bot, you can start claiming tokens every 6 hours. Don't forget to complete the additional tasks to maximize your rewards. These tasks are super easy, like following them on social media or joining their Telegram group, and they'll help you earn even more. Next, we have Time Farm. This platform is a bit different. It rewards you for completing microtasks. Think of it as a place where you can do small tasks, like answering surveys, testing apps, or watching videos, and in return, you get paid in tokens. Time Farm is perfect for those of you who enjoy doing quick, simple tasks in exchange for real crypto. The cool thing about Time Farm is that you can also create your own tasks. For example, if you need help with something, you can set up a task and reward others for completing it. It's a great way to be both a task doer and a task creator. To really boost your earnings on Time Farm, make sure to complete all available tasks. By doing so, you'll increase your yield percentage, which means more tokens for less effort. Plus, once you've completed enough tasks, your rewards will start accumulating automatically, so you won't have to keep coming back to claim them manually. Finally, let's talk about 2Market. This is one of the most exciting projects out there right now. 2Market is a platform that lists crypto yield bonds, real-world assets, and pre-circulation tokens for purchase. This project is really catching the attention of the crypto community, and for good reason. What makes 2Market unique is its focus on both crypto and real-world assets. It's not just about digital tokens. You can also get involved in assets that have real-world value. The best part? It's completely passive. All you need to do is come back once every 7 hours to claim your tokens. No need to do any tasks or complete any missions. Just set it and forget it. Make sure to check back every 7 hours to claim your tokens. It's one of the easiest ways to earn free crypto while you go about your day. Before we wrap up, it's important to mention that these coins are not yet listed on major exchanges. This means they are still in the pre-launch or airdrop phase, so it's a great time to start farming them while they're still available for free. Once they do get listed, those who have accumulated tokens early will be in a strong position to benefit from any potential price increases. Make sure to stay updated on the project's progress and be among the first to know when these coins go live. And that's it. 3 incredible airdrops that can help you earn free crypto without spending any money. Iceberg, Time Farm, and 2Market all offer unique ways to get involved in the crypto space. So don't miss out. Make sure to check the links in the description to join each airdrop. And don't forget to set your reminders so you never miss a claim. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto content. Thanks for watching and happy earning.